Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Snappa, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Snappa, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.snappa.com. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your details, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Snappa dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Provide your email address and submit the form to receive a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. After resetting your password, you can return to the login page to sign in with your new credentials. That's it. You are now logged into Snappa and ready to create stunning graphics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.